sa Legally Blind?
Legally Blind po, ako po yung sister ni Janine Gutierrez po. I am makulit, kikay, na despite the situation that we're having na puro sad, ako po yung breaker nun. Ako po yung parang, that's comic relief, parang gano'n.
So hindi ka masyadong heavy drama dito?
I'm not sure kasi family po siya eh. So, siguro there will be times na sobrang bigat nga po. Pati ako mabibigatan. Opo. So, pero parang si Nina po yung name ko. She tries her best na laging good vibes. Laging kahit kakaaway nyo lang, smile palagi.
How is it working with Janine? First time niyo ba together?
Third time.
Third time?
First time po nung karelasyon po, nung Tres Rosas, yung si Miss Nora Honor, Slot de Leon, and her. And I was the young version of the role of Miss Nora Honor. And then second time once again as her sister, yung past life niya po. And then the last one, ito po, Ikinitay.
So how is it working with her?
Sobrang bait po. At parang malambing po siya. And she talks talaga to you. And mag-feel mo na, like Ate Ina, hindi peke yung pagiging mabait nila. Yung genuine kindness.